I would like to mention that today, me being here at TEDx event at Amity University, Gwalior was phenomenal. You know, I feel university has taken such a great initiative to provide a platform to all the students out there who's still on that budding path of figuring out things in their life. I feel having a open conversation platform inside the university plays a very, very important role. This is something which should be implemented and accumulated inside the whole curriculum as well, because that's what we call an experiential learning thing. So me being here, I feel immensely happy, and I would like to congratulate the whole team of Amity University for organizing such a brilliant event. I mean, I can't actually summarize it in one message, but I would like to mention to all the students that real hand-on experience is above everything. Everybody needs hands-on skill expertise. So I would like to suggest everybody that go have some kind of experience, get an internship, work with startups. They are the perfect environment to get all of these learning. And once you have those skill set, don't feel scared to go and explore out there, because 20s are the best time to go and being vigorous about the things which are going to matter in your life.